With the Delta variant spreading across the country, a lot of people are wondering if there's a rise in COVID-19 cases among children. Ariane Daytil verifies.
Children across the country will be heading back to school soon, and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is recommending they wear masks. The recommendation was made in part because the COVID-19 vaccines are not yet authorized for children younger than 12 and the rise of the Delta variant. But that recommendation has some people wondering, is there a rise in COVID-19 cases among children? So let's verify. Our sources are AAP, the American Academy of Pediatrics, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, and Dr. Gabe Kellen, professor and chair at Johns Hopkins University Department of Emergency Medicine.
So the data are not fully in, but we are very concerned about the numbers of infections that we're seeing in children.
The definition of child varies by state, but the AAP says it typically means anyone 19 and younger. After declining in early summer, cases of COVID-19 in children steadily increased in July. According to the latest data from the AAP, 72,000 children tested positive for COVID-19 during the last week of July. That number is nearly double than the week before. The CDC says the increase in child cases coincides with a national spike that's tied to the spread of the Delta variant. In its weekly review on July 30th, the CDC said the 7-day average for new COVID-19 cases increased by 64% compared to the previous week. But a spokesperson for the AAP said it's too early to tell how the Delta variant is affecting children. In a statement to verify, they said, right now there is no data to show if the variant is more dangerous to children, and so it's premature for our experts to comment on it. So we can verify it is true. There is a rise in COVID-19 cases among children, though experts say not enough information yet exists to determine if the Delta variant is more dangerous to children. With your Verify, I'm Ariane Daytil.
And that is a good footnote. Folks, if there's something you'd like us to verify, send an email to verify@12newsnow.com, or you can message us on one of our social media accounts.